What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be diving into a new product from CoverGirl. Very similar to Essence Cosmetics, CoverGirl has been releasing a bunch of new items. They're also undergoing a major rebranding, which I actually kind of like. As you know, CoverGirl has been collaborating with Katy Perry for a while now on several different products, and in particular they've recently come out with two new eyeshadow palettes. I'm gonna put a picture of one of them up here, which I didn't buy. It is a little more on the colorful side. I wanted to go with something a little more neutral, something that I would gravitate towards a little bit more. So I ended up picking up this palette right here. This is the, what do they actually call this? This is the Katy Cat palette in Hot Cat. It comes with one of these stupid little sponge tip applicators, which I never use, but these colors, oh my goodness. I really hope the formula is the same as their Jewel palette, which I actually really like. This is the first time I'm gonna dig my fingers into it. Oh, okay. All right, I'm not mad at that. But another one, we'll take a shimmer. Okay, I think we've got something here. What I wanted to do in today's video is try on this palette with you. We're gonna dive into this eyeshadow palette review, but before we do, I wanna make sure that you hit that subscribe button if you aren't subscribed already, so you can join my channel and watch me Monday through Friday as I try out new products. So I'm gonna go in with this really nice matte purple color right here. That's gonna go right into my crease. And boy, is there a lot of powder kick up from this palette. Maybe I'll just tap off some of that excess. Oh, that goes on nicely. Do you guys see that? Ooh, yeah. Oh, that is looking real good. It's also blending out really nicely. There doesn't seem to be much of a mid-tone between this color here and this sort of deeper matte brown color. So I'm just gonna go in with this matte brown color now and build it up very slowly. And I am just gonna continue using the same brush, no big deal. Still lots of powder coming off of it. You know what? This is really nice. It's blending out so nicely. It's not going on patchy at all. I'm actually really impressed with this color. This is going on seamlessly. Like, I am so crazy impressed right now. I am gonna re-intensify the purple color that we had initially. So again, using the same brush, nothing has changed. I'm just gonna go back into that crease and try to blend out the darker brown with this purple color so there's more of a smooth gradient. You've been hit by a smooth criminal. I know I've gone really high on my brow bone, so don't judge me. I'm still working on it. Stick with me, folks, stick with me. Now I'm gonna take this shimmerier brown over here and just put that on my outer corner. I'm not doing anything crazy with this look. It's gonna be sort of one of my standard go-to looks. Just gonna tap some of that onto the outer corner of my eye. Oh, that is pigmented, yo. Oh. Yo, I don't know why I just said that, but I did. Wow. And now I'm gonna go into this cat-shaped, beautiful, shimmery purple shadow. I'm just gonna swipe right across this cat's face and really fuck it up. Oh, whoa! Are you guys seeing this? This pigment is beautiful. Oh my gosh, and this is with a completely dry brush. There is no Fix Plus right now. I love how this looks so far. Like I said, there is no Fix Plus or any sort of dampness to my brush. These colors just went on so nicely. Just to see how well these colors would perform with a little bit of Fix Plus, I've just grabbed my little container here, took a little extra pigment onto my brush, and I'm just gonna spritz it real quick. Just go over top of the shadow. Just intensifies it a little bit, not much, but just enough. Now I'm gonna take an angled brush and I'm very lightly gonna dab into this black color down here. I'm just gonna swipe it onto the back of my hand first. Oh my God. For a drugstore black eyeshadow, that's really pigmented. Holy moly! All right, dipping back in even more gently. I am gonna take some of the excess off on the back of my hand, blow on it a little bit too, just for good luck. And now I'm just gonna go underneath my lower lash line. I'm gonna keep this one really, really tight because I don't wanna look like a raccoon, not like the last time I tried to use black eyeshadow underneath. And taking a pencil brush and the purple color again, I'm just gonna go under there and blend it out a little bit just so it doesn't look so harsh. And for a little bit of inner corner highlight as well as brow bone highlight, I'm gonna go into this shimmery pinky color up here, taking it onto another pencil brush. I'm gonna stick that into the inner corner of my eye. Can you guys see that? All I see are the inner corners of my eyes popping right now. Just gorgeous. All I can really say right now is wow, wow, wow. I am loving the way all of these colors are looking together. I am gonna go ahead, finish off my eye look, just add a little bit of eyeliner, mascara, some false lashes, and I will be right back with some final thoughts. Here is the finished look and I absolutely love how everything turned out. This palette was so much fun to play with. I love that the colors were really pigmented. You can see how well everything went on. It all blended out really nicely. Nothing was patchy. The shimmers were nice and shimmery and creamy. The mattes were nice and matte and blendable. Very soft shadows. I don't think you'll be disappointed with this palette at all. I feel like these colors are neutral enough that you can create a bunch of everyday looks and even turn this into a day to night palette. You know what I mean, really jazz things up a little bit. Not gonna lie, when I first started putting these eyeshadows on, I was going for a day appropriate look, but now I feel like I have a nighttime smoky eye. It's so funny to be filming this final check-in because I just finished filming a final check-in for the foundation that I'm testing out today. But anyways, let me zoom you in so you guys can take a look at how well this eyeshadow has worn on my eyes. Here we are, nice and close. I'm gonna crack open my compact here to take a quick look and you tell me. I mean, what do you think of the eyeshadow? From where I'm sitting and from what I'm seeing, I think it actually wore really well. There is minimal creasing. The matte colors that I put into my actual crease are still doing really well. They haven't gotten muddy. My brow bone highlight is still strong, as is my inner corner highlight. What has faded a little bit is actually the overall shimmer shadow that I put all over my eyes. I think that's died down in intensity a little bit. If you can get your hands on this palette, I would definitely recommend that you do. I don't think you'll be disappointed. I love the longevity of the shadows, and you already know how I feel about the formula. So this palette here is definitely getting a thumbs up from me. And that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below what some of your favorite CoverGirl products are and what you think of the rebranding. And if you've actually had a chance to play with this palette, let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Before you leave, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. You can also follow me on all of my social media. I am on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. Still haven't seen the old Snapchat come back, but I'm holding out hope. Thank you again for watching. I hope you are all having an amazing day, no matter where you are in the world. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.